Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up price alerts on CoinGecko application using your smartphone. If you want to get instant notifications whenever your favorite crypto coins goes up or down in price, then enabling price alert is the best thing you can do. First of all, launch open CoinGecko application on your device and make sure that you're logged in. Once logged in, from the home page, go to the top right corner and tap on the search icon. In the search bar, search for the coin you'd like to create an alert for. After searching for the coin, select it from the search results and from the cryptocurrencies details page, click on the bell icon at the top right corner and then you will see Add Price Alerts option. Go to the Target Price option and set a target price. For example, if I want to be alerted whenever this hits 700, this is just for an example. And after you type it down, under frequency, select if you'd like the alert to be repeated or if you want it to be just one time. After choosing the frequency, click on Add Price Alert. Now click on Save, and once you do that, you'll receive a notification when the price crosses your target. CoinGecko will let you set multiple alerts for different coins, great for tracking both long-term and short-term moves. So that's how you easily turn on or enable price alert for your favorite cryptocurrency on CoinGecko. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.